Hi guys, I just want to do a quick review how to on the one-man braking clutch bleeding kit. This is the box anyway, I'll show you what you get. So you get the bottle which collects the used fluid. You get this tube which one end has a one-way valve on it basically, and on the other end you get a more flexible tube. You see that? And this securing attachment, aperture, whatever you want to call it. So I'll go through the instructions real quick. You've got insert tube into aperture of retaining strap. For mini nipples use the smaller aperture, which is the bit we just seen, this bit here. Clean bleed nipple and push onto tube, that one there, sorry. Loosen bleed nipple half a turn with a suitable spanner. Push retaining strap firmly over tube and nipple. Press brake pedal a few times to expel air and old fluid. Check that tube is free of air bubbles before tightening nipple, and that's pretty much that one brake done. What we'll do though is we'll go outside and we'll actually run through the process for you. Okay. Right, so as you can see I've put a new caliper on this one, and what I've had to do first is put the wee securing clip on the onto the tube end of the rubber hose to make sure that locks in place, and then wrapped it around there. So what that means is when you put it on the actual bleed nipple, you see this one's nice and clean because it's new anyway, so no need to clean it. Pop that on there, like so, and then make sure you lock it on like that, so it's hopefully nice and secure now. So what I'll do is I'll go and get a spanner and do the next bit. So I've attached the that end to the nipple, and what you need to do first is make sure you've got enough brake fluid in the brake reservoir. So what I've done is I've overfilled it, so you don't want to be drawing air down your lines, so that's why that's done. Right, so what I'll do is we'll slacken this off half a turn, quarter of a turn, like so, and I'll set the video up and then go and pop the pedal and we'll see what happens. Hope you can see that. So, perfect, no air bubbles, and that was about 4 pumps I did there, so that's got that pretty good in a really short time. Right, I'm going to tighten this back up now, and that's that brake caliper done, so take that back off. There we go, back away. Cover back on. What we'll have to do first is drain some of that brake fluid out, make sure it's at the right level before we continue. So I'm just going to use a syringe to do that, and yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching.